Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome to another video of me just styling my own hair. So on this video I'm using the Marley Kinky hair. So I first start off by cutting off the ends of this hair because they're more tangled up with each other, so it makes it more easier for me to unravel the hair once I've cut off the ends. So now the most time consuming thing with this hairstyle is unraveling the hair. So you want to make sure that you give yourself time to unravel the hair first, and then you go ahead and crochet. So as you guys can see, my cornrows are not really that good. They look like I did them a month ago, and I actually did them 3 days before doing this hairstyle. So because they won't be showing, it doesn't really matter, but you just want to make sure that the hair is tucked in. As you can see, the two lines are peeking there at the front, and they gave me quite a hassle when I had to cover them up when I was working with the front section. So just make sure that your hair is tucked in. It doesn't have to be neat or anything since it won't be showing. So I've done a lot of videos where I use the crochet, so by now a lot of people should know how to use the crochet, but it's quite explanatory. You just put in the crochet needle onto your hair, you lock in the extension, you pull it, and you make a knot. It's that simple, but you can just watch my previous videos for reference if you need a thorough explanation. So I go ahead and crochet the whole back section, and this is pretty much what you do the entire hairstyle. It's quite a workout, takes time. So now I'm working with the front section. After sipping my wine, I'm working with the front section. You want to use thinner hair of the Marley Kinky when working with the front section, and also start at the very beginning of your line to make it look more seamless and your natural hair. So yeah, I think from here on I'll be talking on the video. So if you've made it this far, thank you very much for watching. I will talk to you guys at the end, where I do my voiceover outro. Yeah, my outro voiceover. So I ran out of the hair extension that I'm using, and I'm thinking of taking some from the back. It's so hard now to take it out because I literally have to cut it. I use 2 packets. 2 packets is enough. I just have a big head, but 2 packets on a normal head should be more than enough. So I'm just gonna steal from the back because the back is also a bit chunky. I think I used a bit too much from the back than I should have. So okay, no, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this because I'm not gonna get another hair extension. So I'm gonna I'm gonna ask my sister to help me take out a few from the back so I can just cover this line and then leave it as is. But as you guys can see, it's quite simple, it's quite easy. The hard work with this hairstyle is that you have to unravel the kinky hair. That's what takes time. As soon as you're done with that, so hence I would advise start with unraveling your hair. I've probably said this on a voiceover, but start with unraveling your hair before you do the crochet. Also, when braiding your hair, make sure everything is tucked in because it makes it so much easier. But for me, on my side, for now, I'm just gonna leave it like this because it's chunky as it is, you understand? And because it's so hard for me to get the hair from the back so I can fill in the missing spot here, it's fine. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. So I'm just gonna take a brush. I can't find my brush, but I'm just gonna use this, and then just brush it. So it's gonna take out these ends. I hope I'm showing because I'm using the back camera and I can't really tell if it's visible or not. You can't even tell that I took some extensions from the back. So yeah, this is it. And then just to make it blend with your hair. Towards your lines. So because I like laying my edges, and you guys already know, what's up. When I lay my edges using this, because this doesn't flake, it doesn't last, but it also doesn't flake. Do you see how nice that's coming? It's coming up nicely. Only if you are using an edge control that doesn't have a stronghold spray. So I'm only using this because this edge control doesn't really have much of a stronghold. So there's not really much of a difference. It's more fluffy this side, because obviously this side is all filled in, and I just have a few, it's one line. I have one line that's not filled up this side, so hence it may look a bit flatter this side than it is on this side, but it's not something that's actually visible. And 2 packs is enough, guys. I use quite a lot at the back than on the front, so 2 packs is definitely going to be enough. So I'm just going to let these edges dry and then just show you guys how it looks like when I'm done. Thank you very much for watching. This is how it looks like. This is the final end. As you can see, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Like you guys know, this side is not filled in. So this is the final result. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.